So tonight we are installing my wild bore ATV radiator relocation kit. I've already pulled both of these little plastic sides out and the fin that goes in front of the radiator right there. I just disconnected the reservoir. I'm gonna pull this lower line right here and drain all the coolant out of there. Already pulled the bottom hose off of the radiator and drained it out into a bucket right here. So yeah, once I undo the reservoir, I'm gonna undo the top hose in the radiator, which is on the other side, and then there's only two bolts holding this thing in. There's one right there, and then on the other side, there's one in the same spot. But a lot of people think that you have to take your front rack and fenders off, but I'm gonna show you guys the easy way to get this radiator out, because it's a pain in the ass taking off these front fenders. I don't feel like messing with it at all. So I'm gonna show y'all the way I do it, and hope this is helpful. Hope y'all enjoy. So I got the radiator out. She is absolutely disgusting. So all you gotta do is, once you undo, let's see here. Once you undo these 10mm bolts on each side and undo the fan wire, you gotta undo this top little hose. You gotta undo it from the top up here. Once you do that, just get down on your knees in front of the bike, put a hand or an arm through each wheel well and pick straight up. And it should just pop right out of these little rivets that it sits in. But yeah, that's what it looks like when it's out. So I'm finna clean this thing and put that on. So I'll catch back up with y'all in a little bit. All right, so got the radiator kit on. I didn't hook up my reservoir. I'm not going to. I just got that little hose running right there. Got the top hose hooked up. Got my fan wire hooked up, and I got that bottom hose hooked up right down there. I just drilled a hole in the plastics right there and ran it up. I'm happy with the way it looks. It looks all right. But yeah, I went and test rode it already. So it's fine, full of radiator fluid, antifreeze. So now it is time to get this winch on. I already got the winch mount in there, but I think I made a mistake. I think I may have to pull the front bumper off, because it is being a bitch to get that in right now. So everything is done. Radiator kit is installed. I'm gonna go buy some bungee cords for this little ammo box tomorrow. We're going to Muddy Bottoms the weekend of Valentine's Day. Let me get this over. I just needed something to keep shit in without getting absolutely covered in mud, so I just threw a little old piece of carpet in there. We're gonna make that work. Yeah, everything's ready to go. The snorkel is sealed up. I went and tested it the other day. I got the winch on, and yes, I'm missing a roller in my fair lead, because the only way to get it on was to take the mount all the way back out of the bumper, which means I would have had to take the winch back out, and I was not doing that. So the top roller can just not be in there. I don't care. It doesn't make a big difference. But yeah, we're ready to go to Muddy Bottoms. Next video I post will be at Muddy Bottoms the first day.